Good morning, my dear students. This is Sarul Murugan. Welcome back to my digital class lecture video. Chapter name Database Concepts, lecture video, part 16. In today's lecture class, we are going to discuss data warehouse, fundamental stages in data warehouse. We will see one by one. Data warehouse. What is data warehouse? A data warehouse is a repository of an organization's electronically stored data. So what is data warehouse? It is a repository of organizations electronically stored data. And what is the use? The data warehouse are designed to facilitate reporting and supporting data analysis. So with the help of data warehouse, we can able to reporting and supporting data analysis. It supports management information and analysis purpose. So with the help of data warehouse, we can able to get the information about management, and we can do some analysis also. So what is data warehouse? It is a repository of an organization's electronically stored data. The data warehouse are designed to facilitate reporting and supporting data analysis, and also it supports management information and analysis purpose. Next, fundamental stages. See, there are four fundamental stages in data warehouse. Offline operational database, which means data warehouse, offline data warehouse, real-time data warehouse, integrated data warehouse. So there are four fundamental stages: offline operational database, offline data warehouse, real-time data warehouse, integrated data warehouse. We will see detailedly one by one. Offline operational data warehouse. A data warehouse is the initial stage are developed by simply copying the database and does not impact the operational system's performance. Assume that I'm having one database. Understand? I'm going to create a database by copying some operational from the existing database. So this is the new database for the initial purpose. If I do any changes in the database, this will not reflect the original database. So this is the initial stage. During the development time, they will copy some operational database and they will do some operations. So if you do any operation or if you do any performance, that will not affect the original database. Understand? So what is offline operational database? Which means a data warehouse in the initial stage are developed by simply copying the database. Understand? So we will take the copy of the original database and we will do work in the offline. Assume that I am creating a video and I will post into the WhatsApp. After that, what you will do, you will download the video. After that, it is not necessary you have to in your mobile phone internet has to be enabled or not. Even if it is disabled also, offline you can able to watch my video. If you do any changes in that offline, that will not affect the original video which I am having in my system. Understand? So what is offline operational database? A data warehouse in this initial stage are developed by simply copying the database and does not impact any operational systems performance in the original database. Next, offline data warehouse. See, data warehouse in the stage of evaluation of updated in a regular time, usually daily, weekly, monthly. Assume that I'm having a database and I'm copying the database here and I'm do some changes and I'm doing some entry and I'm deleting some data from this database. Here time cycle, for example, every day I'm going to update this data into the original system every day or every week or every month. So the original system will get affect. So if I do any changes here, after getting update, the data will be changed in the original place. Understand? So what is offline data warehouse? In the sense, the data warehouse in the stage of evaluation are updated on regular time cycle. Assume that I'm going to send some document to you. So what you have to do, you have to update me every day. So I'm giving a set of a number of questions, a 10 question or 20 question. So every day you have to send me. So every day you have to report me. It is a small example where you can easily understand. So regular time you have to update. Similarly, there will be a original database. From the original database we can copy one small database. We will do some operations, and every day or every week or every month we have to update to the original database. This is called offline data warehouse. Next, real time data warehouse. In this real time data warehouse, updated on transaction or event basis. Event time, an operational system performs a transaction. Assume that in the database, if we do any transaction, for example, if I take ATM, so in this ATM, if I do any event, any transaction, if I withdraw any amount, for example, if I withdraw 10,000, so immediately in my bank database the amount will be deduct and the new amount will be updated. Understand? This is called real time data warehouse. So this will be updated on transaction or event basis. If I do any transaction, immediately the database will be updated. Understand? Next, integrated data warehouse. What is integrated data warehouse? It is used to integrate activity or transaction that are passed back into the operational systems for the use of daily activity of an organization. Here we are going to combine more than one database to do the operation. Understand? So what is integrated data warehouse? In the data warehouse used to generate activity or transaction that are passed back into the operational systems for the use in the daily activity of an organization. So generally this type of integrated data warehouse, we will combine two or more databases. So one database will be located some other place, another database will be located some other place, and finally I will get a master database. This, from this two database I will get the copy and I will do the analysis. Understand? For the daily activity of an organization, right? So my dear students, I am going to conclude this session with some with the summary. Data warehouse, it is a too simple definition. A data warehouse is a repository of an organization's electronically stored data. What it will facilitate? It will facilitate reporting and supporting data analysis. So with the help of data warehouse, we can report and supporting data analysis. And it supports management information and analysis purpose. There are four fundamental stages: offline operational database, offline data warehouse, real-time data warehouse, integrated data warehouse. So what is offline operational data warehouse? We will copy the some part from the original database. If we do any changes in the new database, that will not affect in the initial stage or development stage. And what is offline data warehouse? We have to update in the regular time cycle, daily, weekly, monthly, we have to update. Real-time data warehouse, in the sense the data warehouse will be updated on every transaction or event basis, like ATM. So whenever you are going to withdraw the amount, immediately your database will be updated in the bank database. Integrated data warehouse. So here the data warehouse used to generate activity or a transaction that are passed back into the operational system. So generally here we will combine two or more database to do the operations. My dear students, one more time you just see the video if you have any doubt. Still, if you have any doubt, feel free to call me or message me so that I can able to easily clear your doubts. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. We will see next class with some other topic.